Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Today I have ordered something on the Flipkart, and this is for kitchen use, kitchen or the self-covering sheets. I want to completely make a change over my old look in the kitchen. I need to cover up the rack, so I have ordered these. See, these are the cupboard covering sheets, where there will be adhesive, means gum sort of thing here. I need to peel off this and just stitch to the cupboards. What I'll do is I'll drop the link in the description for these stickers. You can go through them, and I'll show you the output once I stick to the cupboards, kitchen cupboards or the racks. And I'll do that long length video and drop in the description. See here, these are totally 7 sheets, I guess. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, these are approximately 500 rupees. I bought this for 500 rupees. And what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description for the video, that how I'm going to use this, means how I'm going to stick these stickers to the kitchen racks. Okay, you can check that video also, and please do comment like that how this product is. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Focus.